This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious croissants step by step. Start by combining your dry ingredients, flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Then, add cold water and small pieces of butter, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. Once combined, cover the dough and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for developing flavor and making the dough easier to handle. Next, prepare your butter block. Roll out cold butter between 2 sheets of parchment paper to create a 6 by 6 inch square. This ensures even distribution. Now, roll your chilled dough into a rectangle about twice the size of your butter block. Place the butter in the center, fold the dough over to completely enclose it, and seal the edges securely. This is where the magic happens. Roll your dough into a long rectangle, then perform a letter fold by folding 1/3 over the middle and the other third over that. Rotate the dough 90 degrees and repeat this rolling and folding process 3 more times, chilling the dough for 30 minutes between each turn to keep the butter firm. Finally, roll your laminated dough to about 1/8 inch thickness. Cut it into long triangles, then gently roll each one from the wide base to the pointed tip to form the classic croissant shape. Let them proof until they've doubled in size, then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and flaky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.